She is a Russian-American professional basketball coach and former player who is the assistant coach of the San Antonio. Her family. Her mother name Bev Hammond. Her mother was a doctor. Her father named Martin Hammond. Her father was a nurse. She continuously make to history. Name All-Star assistant. Brother named Dave. Becky mate. Sister named Gina Hammond. San Antonio hired first female full-time coach. Hammond dealt with a slew of injuries during career in WNBA. Her friends. Mike thinks Hammond has no shot of being an NBA head coach. She has a net worth of $5 million. She was one of the best players in the Western Athletic. Her dating history. A lesbian girlfriend. Tony Parker. Dating history. Rumor dating. Dating partner. Her boyfriend. With boyfriend. She was born in the Rapid City, South Dakota. She is the natural-born citizen of the US. She became a naturalized Russian citizen in 2008. She learned to dribble a basketball at very young age. She was raised as a devout Christian. Her weight 62 kg. She played basketball at Striven High School. As a junior, she was named South Dakota Miss Basketball. She is also first full-time female assistant coach in any of the 4 major professional sports in North America. As a senior, she was voted the South Dakota Player of the Year. She served as the team's Summer League head coach in 2015. She graduated in 1995. On 2016, the San Antonio retired Hammond's number 25 jersey prior to the Atlanta Dream game. 2020, she became the first female acting head coach in NBA history. Her playing career 1999 to 2014. Her coaching career 2014 to present. Undrafted during her rookie season, she was signed to WNBA on 1999 and joined the New York Liberty. Nationality American Russian. Her height 5 feet 6 inches. She had long expressed aspiration of becoming a coach after her playing career. Her autograph. Her signature. Her quotes. Her workout. Jewelry collection. Early age. She speaking to audience during her induction into the ring. Replica of the ring honor award to Becky at the induction ceremony. Her purse collection. Jersey retirement. She was the most decorated women's basketball player in Colorado State history.